Alright guys, so I'm giving the 300 a wash off before my auntie did here. Guys, she must be anxious for this car because I called her about 20 minutes ago and told her it'll be ready around 4:30 or 5. It's 3:30 now. She just called me and said, oh, I'm on my way down there. I'm like, I'm not done yet. She said, so what? I'll just be down here. Well, you know, guys. Hey, guys miss their cars. Apparently, Aunt Alma missed her baby, too. So, let me get her finished up. I just got a few more things to do here. Dry her down. And actually, the window on the other side, I forgot to tighten the one bolt down. So I got to take the door panel back off. Tighten that last bolt down. I just woke up this morning and thought about it like, oh, I didn't tighten that other bolt, so that holds the window in place, because I needed to let it down once I hooked the power up, and I didn't do it. So I get that done. That's about a 10-minute ordeal. And then this baby will finally be done, guys. I'm going to show my Aunt Alma picking it up. I did a video when she came, looked at it after it was painted, and her and my mother, I tell you, you gotta love them. I have to put them on timeout, make them hold hands in the corner for about a half hour like my mother used to do me and my brother, so, you know. Alright guys, let me finish this up. Alright guys, so one of the last things I want to do here is come in with a brand new razor blade. And this is just from any little overspray, you know, primers or whatever that I might have got on this window while I was spraying. So you just want to come in and just take a fresh razor blade and clean these windows up. Who enters there?
Your Auntie Alma.
Aunt Alma!
Are you filming?
Yes, I'm filming. Look at you. I thought you was gonna wait for me to call you. And I still got all this work to do. You ready for your car, ain't you?
I'm just looking. Can I look? Are you talking on the thing?
Come on in, Aunt Alma. Don't worry about all that.
Okay. Is that going to discuss MONEY?
Well, hold on. Let me get this finished up here.
I know you're going to edit for your post, right?
Yeah, I try to. Alright guys, so hey, this baby is all finished up, and Alma's here to pick her up. She turned out good, guys. Got her all cleaned up. This window wasn't working. Switched out the motor, got it working for her. Remember, all of that was routed out. Back here was routed out. It's all looking good, guys. So got her brand new license plate covered here. Hers is all cracked up. Wasn't no good. So remember, all of that was routed out, guys. It was routed all in here. So we got this baby looking pretty good, guys. So let me have her come on down. I'm gluing up her antenna cracked, so I'm gluing that up. I get that on there for, I think I got it. It should be glued up by now, according to how long it take that super glue to. But hopefully that work if she's having a problem out her radio because that plastic cracked. I'm gonna have to go to the junkyard, see if I can find her one. So, all right, this baby is pretty much done. She looking good, guys. Let me get her out here. All right. that baby's done. I'm gonna do one last thing for her here. I'm gonna see if I can polish out her tail headlight lens real quick. All right, anybody that know me, you know I swear by the Blue Magic polish. So I started this, but I said I might as well go and record it. So her tail light lens was hazy here. So I'm gonna just put this Blue Magic polish on here. And that Blue Magic is gonna take all of that haziness. So I'm on the paint, but it ain't gonna hurt it. Just trying to get your headlight polished out some. They got other stuff that you can buy, but this Blue Magic, it works okay. It'll be better than what it was. But guys, that headlight polished out pretty good from where it started. So it's late, but
I'm trying to see how to get out of this.
So what you think about the paint job in Alma?
I like it. I love it.
You like it? You love it?
Yes, I do.
All right.
I'm trying to figure out how to get out of this.
Get out of what?
But you're filming me. Why are you filming me now, Robbie? I ain't even
I don't know, because I love you.
Okay.
So
Yes,
your window,
very
your
nice
window
job.
wasn't working. I got your window working. You let it up.
It's up on it. Oh,
The window's working.
all right.
You got the window going for you there. Got it tightened down. Come back here real quick. So I should have looked at your front plate. You got a front plate on here?
No,
Oh.
no.
Where the other dock and sip at?
What you talking about?
Your license plate, dock and sip. Where the other plate at?
It's at the house, but he got this one, it didn't have a place for a front.
Well, I could change that and put the better looking plate on there if you want me to.
Okay.
But this was all cracked, so I brought you a new one of them.
Okay.
Put one of them on there for you, you know, because your plastic one was all cracked up. So
All right.
I got that on there. So
Yep, it's looking good.
all right, let me let you out of here. All right, guys, she scratched it up. I told her let me pull it out. She don't want me to touch her, so. Oh, okay. Guess she don't want me saying she too old to. I can't hear you. That car is sealed tight. Okay, but I can't hear you. Your car is sealed up tight.
You're talking to your son. That's your.
See, now if you would have scratched it up after I just painted it.
I ain't scratched it. Stop it. You always stop talking that.
All right, I'm just saying when you pull up. Okay, I see you're a driver in Alma. I see.
I've been driving since 1975, son.
Okay.
If I couldn't make it out, I would have put it in park and said, "Come
Come
get it out."
get it. Okay.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
Well, I love you.
Bye. She calling me at the time I'm trying to navigate.
Navigate out the driveway. All right, then, Alma.
All right, you still filming? You ain't filming. Nothing.
Yeah, I'm filming that, Alma.
Oh Lord. Well, I am very happy customer.
All right.
If you need Robbie Barkley for anything, he's the guy.
All right.
All right.
Love you.
Love you too.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So she's all done. She is taking her home. All right.